Hey, it's Morgan with WTI.
I love this pack of party pavers from AIXIANG. They were such a hit at my friend's baby shower. They are so beautiful. I really love them. The little succulent candle and the terracotta pot was such a fun gift to give out to everybody, and they just looked so cute in my house. I loved using them for the shower or even for myself. Everything that it came with was well packaged, and it was really easy to put together for the party that I had. They were really, really beautiful and they looked great on the tables, and the tags that they come with are really sweet as well. These little candles are perfect for giving out to people. Your guests will absolutely love these. I love the variety too. It comes with 36 candles, so you will have plenty to give to your guests. It also comes with 50 bags and 50 tags, so you will be all set for your next shower. These are beautiful.
I definitely recommend these party favors, and that's my point of view.